Danny Yoyo Show. I'm cooking on the grill. Cooking on the grill. I cooked hot dogs already. Yeah. See, I cooked so far hot dog. I cooked bacon earlier. Cooking. It's Danny Yoyo Show. Having a cookout on my patio. I'm having a cookout. It's winter time. Yeah. Look at that. Sausage. Sausage. Oh yeah. Sausage links. I'm cooking. Cooking on the grill. This is Danny Yoyo Show. Cooking on the grill. Yeah. I am cooking on the grill. George Foreman grill. Yeah. On the patio. Oh yeah, everything is alright. Yeah. Cooking on the grill. Not done yet. Cooking on the grill today. Yeah. It's Danny Yoyo Show. Ha ha ha. Yeah. This is Danny Yoyo Show. Everything means everything to me. Yeah, this is Danny Yoyo Show. I am on my patio. I am cooking on the grill today. Yeah, word up. What's up? Yeah, what's up? What? This is what's up today. What's going on? I'm cooking on the grill. You can't believe it. Yeah, I'm cooking on the grill on the patio. My new video. Look at this. Look at this. Cooking sausage links on the grill. Yeah. Already cooked 2 hot dogs on the grill. Yeah, I did. Look. Look at that. 2 hot dogs. You want me to eat a hot dog on the video? I will. Watch me eat a hot dog. Yeah. Wiener, wiener, wiener. Wiener, wiener, wiener. Good. What? You gonna watch me eat a hot dog? Wiener, wiener, wiener. Hot dog. Fuck. Oh, I dropped the sausage link on the ground. I'm not. Shit. I don't know where it went. Oh well. Oh, Italian sausage links. I'll be right back. Going to get me a fork. Yep. Eating sausage links. Yeah. Just go like this. Had a good cookout today on the patio. Sausage slings. They're good. Real good. This is a new video. Yeah, I had a cookout today on the grill. Yeah. Yeah. It's real good. It's real good. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Yeah. I'm always making new videos. You're always gonna see Danny Yoyo on YouTube. There goes that movie star. Ha ha ha. Damn. That was good. I had a good day today. Yeah. I was just catching up. All my friends and my family and my fans on YouTube are watching me. Push like, push subscribe, comment me, and everything Danny Yoyo show on YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. Everything Danny Yoyo show means everything. To me, to everybody. I'm trying to open the doors to everybody. Yeah. 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 You know what I mean? I'm just back. I come back. I get knocked down. I get back up. Yeah. That's what everybody says. Yeah. Yeah. Everything is like a piece of cheese, full of bologna, Everything's like a piece of cake. You're full of bologna. Like, oh, full of piece of cheese. Yeah, I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. You're gonna be seeing me more often on YouTube. It's Danny Yoyo Show. Yeah, man. What's up? How you doing? I don't know how I'm doing. How you doing? Yeah, that's word up. Today, I had a cookout today on my patio. I was cooking on the grill, on the George Foreman grill. I was cooking bacon earlier. I was cooking hot dogs. I was cooking sausage links. All today I was cooking out. Yeah. Yeah, everything is alright. Yeah, everything will be alright. Yeah, 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 yeah. You think I'm crazy? I am crazy. I got a couple of screws loose in my head. Ah! Yeah, yeah. Say cuckoo, cuckoo. Yeah. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. You ever seen that movie with Jack Nicklaus? I did. That movie was crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Everything's good today. I had a cookout today. I was cooking on the grill today too. Yeah. I had a ball today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I gotta go. Bye. Peace.